So the last time I had any welding done on my car, I paid 150 quid, which was a lot of money considering it wasn't even a big job at all. So since that day, I have decided if there's any welding that needs to be done on my car, I'm gonna do it by myself. I have never done any bit of welding ever in my life, and I'm gonna teach myself how to do some welding today. Come on, dude. Victory. Oh no! So this is the equipment that I have. I bought a welding machine for about 40 pounds, the helmet for 16 pounds, welding rods for 5 pounds. I bought a cutting disc, I don't know, I think it was £2.50. I bought welding gloves, 5 pounds, and this extension thingy for 15 pounds. This is the other stuff that I'm going to be using, but I already had this. I didn't have to buy them. I've got my tape measure. I don't know if I'm going to need it. My angle grinder there, cordless angle grinder, and I've got my jack stands because I think I'm going to need to lift my car for this job. And then that's it. So I was trying to weld the muffler mounting hooks, and yeah, I know I should have gotten newer material, the new hooks, but I tried to weld back the hooks that were already there because I'm lazy. And yeah, it didn't work out very well for me. Welding produces lots of heat, and I think if I keep this on, I might just ruin the rubber, so I'm gonna take it off and then start welding. So I've got my stuff set up. I'm gonna ground my thingy, whatever ground thingy here on the exhaust. I've removed the battery. That's the most important thing when you're welding, I think. So I've removed the battery. Oh, I can't see anything in this mask. Is it meant to be this dark? Oh, I'm not ready for this. There's surely something I'm doing wrong. Surely. Oh, hang on. I can see a little bit. I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. I've welded one side, there's like one other side left. Welding is the single hardest thing I've ever tried when it comes to working on cars. Damn. This is definitely the crappiest welding ever, but it's my first welding, and I think I've actually done it. See? Oh. Oh man. Okay, so I'm gonna call it a day. I'm now picking up. I managed to do one side. Still a bit shaky, but that's something. I think I'm gonna resume tomorrow morning. Welding is hard. I see people doing this and I think it's easy. No, it's not. It's difficult. So it's probably been a month. Hang on. It's probably been a month since my last attempt at welding this exhaust. I just haven't gotten around to doing it. I don't know, it's probably because it was difficult the first time. Mind you, this is or was my first ever time trying to weld anything. So yeah, it didn't quite work. So I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try and see if I can remove the whole back box and see if I can weld it from, oh, listen to that. I'm gonna try and remove the whole back box and try to weld it while it's not attached to the car. I think it might be a bit easy to do it that way. So yeah, let's see if we can do it. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. This is what I probably should have done from the beginning. I should have just put this off the car. I'm gonna cut this and use it. All right, boys. I think we have achieved our goal, boys. This is 1000% the worst welding that has ever been done on planet Earth. But guess what? It does the job, baby. Now I'm oh my God, this is bad. This is bad. Oh, I don't know if I should fix that or not. I'm just gonna leave it. You know what? I'll take this win. All right, so now that we've got our hooks welded on, we're gonna go and put the back box back on the car. You know what? I think the car is gonna sound really cool without the back box. So I'm gonna start it and hear how it sounds. All right, time to put the exhaust back in. Baby. Woo. This, boys and girls, is what I call victory. Oh no! 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 Oh, I don't know if I should fix that or not. I'm just gonna leave it. Oh my God! So my welding came right off. I thought I had it, man. I thought I had it, but I didn't. I failed. But this wasn't a complete failure. I learned a lot. Welding is hard. Trust me, welding is not easy. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna find very simple joints to weld, just small, simple joints. I'm gonna try on something different, not this exhaust. And when I get enough experience, I will reattempt to do the exhaust again. But the process of learning was fun. I had fun learning. I had fun. Believe it or not, I'm so much better than when I started. So, I mean, for the first attempt, I'm happy with the outcome. So yeah, peace.